Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on influencer marketing. I'm AJ, your resident influencer marketing expert, and today we're going to be diving into what type of influencer campaign will make your brand the most money. If you haven't already, you should check out our other videos in this series where we talk about what are the different types of influencer campaigns, what metrics matter when sourcing an influencer, and how to write an influencer outreach that's actually gonna get responses. In the first half of today's video, we're gonna talk about a few different types of campaigns that you can structure for your brand. And in the second half of the video, we're gonna dive into two real-life use cases of brands that were able to leverage influencer marketing to make a huge impact for their brand. So those two brands will be Marriott Hotels and Mercer Labs. And trust me, you're not gonna wanna miss their strategies. First, let's break down some different campaign structures that can work for different brands. There's some campaigns that are best suited for driving people to a physical location, and then there's other campaigns that are great to drive people to buy things from your Amazon storefront or buy things from your direct-to-consumer store that could be hosted on Shopify, WooCommerce, Adobe Commerce, or a custom-built website. Meanwhile, there's other types of campaigns that are really only good for driving brand awareness. We've done the hard work for you, and we've boiled it down to three main types of campaigns that are gonna drive the most success for your brands. Now, get ready to screenshot because we're gonna have all the stats for each type of campaign listed on the screen. First up, there's the low budget option, which is product gifting. This is when you will send product to an influencer in hopes that they post. This was everyone's preferred campaign type in, let's say, 2012. But we're not living in the past anymore, so we need to bring it to the future. This campaign is less impactful now because influencers have more opportunities and they know what their worth is. If you are going to go forward with product gifting, you need to pair it with a commission affiliate plan. This is when you pay out commissions to your creators, either a percentage of every sale or a flat dollar amount of every sale that they drive for your brand. This is why it's so important to include affiliate links or discount codes in your campaigns. A better campaign option is to do a paid promotion with gifting. This is when you provide the creator with gifted product and a flat rate to ensure that they make high quality content deliverables. The flat rate payment motivates them to make higher quality content, while the free product helps them make the content organic and show that they actually have tried the product. This campaign type is best for brands that want UGC content or organic sounding reviews from influencers. And did you know that you can still add on an affiliate commission plan to a paid promotion with gifting campaign? By giving the influencers a way to earn an endless amount of money, you are motivating them to make long-term content for your brand. See, a mutually beneficial relationship will allow you to have a long-term collaboration. And finally, for brands that don't have a physical product, maybe you have a digital product or a location you want influencers to go to, you should be using the paid promotion campaign structure. This is when you offer the influencers just a flat rate to try something, come somewhere, or review something. And here's the reality, guys. You don't have to stick to one campaign structure. There might be different times where you want to try different campaign structures out. The reality is you need to take the best pieces of all the different types of campaigns and combine them together to build a campaign that works for you and your brand. For smaller influencers, doing product gifting with commission might be enough. Whereas for larger influencers, you may want to do a combination of flat rate plus product gifting plus commission. Now let's dive into what you've all been waiting for, the real-life case studies. So what have real brands done that have given them real, measurable, impactful results? First, let's talk about a campaign that Marriott ran with Upfluence's agency that reached over 11 million through niche creator partnerships. Marriott's strategy was to do a gifting campaign with a high-value gift, a stay at one of their hotels. So they first found niche creators that were focused on travel and lifestyle content. Their main goal was to get brand visibility with high intent audience, so the type of audience that wants to go to their hotels. They shortlisted just 27 creators who made content across multiple platforms, resulting in over 500 different pieces of content being made. These creators focused on making content that talked about Marriott's rewards program and the experiences they had in the Marriott hotels. The results were astronomical, with over 11 million in reach and over 2.6 million engagements. The key takeaway from working with Marriott is that small niche content creators can often yield higher impact and more audience trust than working with a macro creator. Plus, it can be a lot cheaper to work with micro creators. The next case study we're gonna break down is Mercer Labs, who drove 6 times ROI or return on investment using an affiliate creator program. Mercer Labs is a museum with immersive interactive exhibits located in the heart of New York City. Their main goal was to drive online ticket sales through working with creators. Their campaign structure consisted of affiliate program with product gifting. They did a large-scale influencer outreach, reaching out to over 10,000 New York City-based creators. They then had a response rate of 15%, and 200 creators then made content for them. Each of these creators were given an affiliate link where they would gain a percentage of every sale that they drove for online ticket sales. The influencers primarily posted on Instagram, and Mercer Labs was able to drive 6 times ROI with just 200 influencers posting. They were also able to see which influencers were driving the most sales through the affiliate links, and overall were able to drive more ticket sales through the influencers' posts. The key takeaway from Mercer Labs is that smart use of affiliate links is the best way to make sure that every dollar you spend on influencer marketing is accurately optimized and utilized. Choosing the right campaign structure is going to help you make sure that you're maximizing the ROI of your influencer marketing program. It's important to make sure that you're motivating all parties, from the influencer to the end consumer. When this is done correctly, it can have high impact results on your company. Thanks for watching today's video. Now it's time to test your knowledge. Click the link down below to sign up for Upfluence's certificate course.